Do you want to know how you can pause a video on Amazon Prime Pro? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can pause a video on Amazon Prime Pro. So go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and then go to Prime Video and make sure that you have a Amazon Prime Pro account and you have subscribed to it. Now let's go ahead and play this video or this movie over here. So after you click it, you can see play option. Go ahead and click on play and the video will start to play. As soon as you start the video, you can see this option over here. The pause play can be done over here. You can also see that if you go back and start to play it again, it will load from the place where you had watched it. So go ahead and click play. And as you can see that you want to pause in this place, just go ahead and click pause. And if you tap on your screen once, the screen will be paused and you can watch it later. So guys, this is how you pause and play the videos on Amazon Prime Pro. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.